Changing the mode of the Cavan V15 transmitter. Remove the battery tray cover and unplug the battery. Unscrew the 4 screws on the rear shell. Start popping out the rear shell. Mind the 2 plastic pins behind the display. Carefully pop out the rear shell starting from the bottom side. Pop out the rotary side sliders. Unplug the flex cable by unlocking it upwards. Put the side sliders in the front shell mounts. Unscrew the centering spring lock from the current throttle stick. Loosen the ratcheting strip and tension strip screws. Check if the gimbal moves freely. Insert and screw in the centering spring lock in the other gimbal. Tighten the centering spring screw. Loosen the centering spring screw on the other side. Tighten the ratcheting strip and tension strip screws. Check if both gimbals move freely and if the tension and ratcheting is to your liking. Plug in the flex cable. Lock the connection with a click. Adjust the flex cable so the connection is straight. Carefully pop the rear shell back in. The connectors should be centered. Screw in the 4 screws of the rear shell. Plug the battery back in. Turn on the transmitter.
Welcome to Ethos. Throttle not idle. Fail-safe not set. Switch warning.
Navigate to the system menu and open the sticks menu. Change the stick mode, in this case, from mode 2 to mode 1. Check the operation of the channels in the Outputs menu. Congratulations, the mode is now changed.